Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna get some planting done while there is a break from the heat and while everybody in my house is still asleep. So I got some peace and quiet right now. I'm gonna plant and enjoy this time before people start asking me what's for breakfast, what's for lunch, what are we gonna do today? So let's get to planting. So we stopped at a nursery over the weekend, Oakland Nursery down in Columbus. I'm in Ohio, so down in Columbus, Ohio. So if you're from Ohio and you know Oakland, hey! Okay, so they had a big sale going on, and I grabbed another succulent for the succulent container that I want to build. I'll be doing that soon. I did grab some more supplies for my succulent soil from Lowe's yesterday, so we're almost ready to do the succulent container. But I grabbed a hot and spicy oregano. I grabbed 3 strawberries. So this one says rose flowered. I don't know if that's a specific brand, but or a specific, let's see, variety, but it says rose flowered. And then this one says Elon. So yes, there are different varieties of strawberries, but yeah. And then I got this right here, which is curry. I thought that was super cute. I'm gonna see what I can do about harvesting and drying. I got this super cool looking geranium. It's pine, it says pine scented geranium. Look at the leaves on this. This I will definitely try to overwinter as a house plant. But the foliage is what attracted me to it. I thought it was really cool. Okay, let's get back to planting. We've got all of the containers planted and I'm so happy. It'll be nice to have some like blooms and greenery here and not just weeds. So we planted begonias, celosia, sun patience, colas, and petunias. And they look great. Even for being clearance plants, they look really great. By mid-July, it's June right now, this stuff is gonna be booming. Look at that colas. So beautiful. I'm definitely gonna pinch this and propagate. But these look good. I made sure to add the petunia so we can have something that will trail out over the side of some of the containers. I think that'll be really beautiful. The chickens got a lot of worms during this. There were so many worms in these beds. It was like insane. Like I've never seen that many worms in a small space. So they got a good bit of worms. There's still worms left in the beds. And the funny thing is they don't often care about worms. You know, like if a worm is in there, they usually bypass it. But for today, they were really interested. So I gave them a bunch of worms. They seem to be happy with it, with that. Thank you guys so much for watching this. I'm going to be planting the other plants and the bananas and all that kind of stuff. That'll be a different video. I'm trying to cut these videos to make them much shorter and easier editing wise. So yes, let me know if you guys have any questions and I'll see you in the next video.